Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to turn on the senior mode on Huawei P60 Pro phone. This option will be very helpful by clicking it once. It will change our contrast, our letters, you will see. So, where to find it? Accessibility features, here. Next, the senior mode is by default, of course, turned off. To turn it on, we will go here. We have a little explanation here. Quickly set up a larger text, larger icons, and other usability enhancing features. We will tap it on, and we have a few features here. For example, we can automatically set our letters to be larger, and we have larger letters, slightly better contrast. We can change touch duration. As you can see, we have to tap it longer. The setting remembers our setup, so we can just by clicking it once revert to how it was at the start, or to turn it on with every option we set up. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.